Chapter 9. Water Resources. Importance of water. Water resources in India. Water conservation. Water is a valuable natural resource. Earth is the only planet in our solar system which supports life because it contains water. There are several uses of water. We use it for our household work, irrigation, for agriculture, and in industries. About 3/4 of the surface of the earth is covered with water, but only about 3% of the total water on the earth is fresh water. We can only use fresh water for our consumption. This is because the water that is available in the seas and the oceans is salty and not fit for use. The main sources of fresh water are glaciers, surface water, and groundwater. The water in glaciers is frozen and hence cannot be used. Surface water includes rivers, lakes, and ponds, which we use for our daily purposes. The water that seeps through the soil and collects under the ground is called as groundwater. We can access it using tube wells and hand pumps. Water resources in India, rivers and other sources of water are not equally distributed across different regions. Some places have abundant water resources, while other places face severe shortage of water. To solve this problem, the government has developed irrigation systems to draw water from different sources and distribute it in the regions that are in need of it. This system consists of dams, canals, wells, and tube wells. Dams and canals. Dams are a structure built across the rivers to control the flow of water and store it in a reservoir similar to a lake. Irrigation canals are then dug to divert water from the dams to the fields for irrigation. In India, canal irrigation is one of the main methods of irrigation. Canals have been built all over the country and farmers depend heavily on them. Buckingham Canal, Indira Gandhi Canal, and Upper Ganges Canal are some important canals of India. Major dams of India. Apart from aiding the irrigation of fields, dams also help in the generation of electricity. Electricity produced by flowing water is called hydroelectricity. Dams also regulate the flow of water, which is useful in controlling floods during monsoon. With several uses, some dams are considered as multipurpose projects. Some major dams of India are Bhakra Nangal Dam. This is the largest dam in India. It is built on the river Sutlej in Himachal Pradesh. Farakka Barrage. It is located in West Bengal and is built on the river Ganga. It provides water to West Bengal as well as Bangladesh. Damodar Valley Project. It is built on the river Damodar in West Bengal. Several other dams are also situated on the river. Sardar Sarovar Dam. It is built on the river Narmada. It supplies water to two states, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Hirakud Dam. It is built on the river Mahanada. In Odisha, Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in the country. Fact frame. Kalana Dam, built across the Kaveri River in Tamil Nadu, is the oldest dam in India. Wells, tube wells, and hand pumps. At places where a reserve of underground is available, wells are dug. However, wells can only be dug in regions that have soft soil. Southern regions of India have rocky soil. Hence, it is not possible to dig too many wells for irrigation here. Tube wells and hand pumps help to pump out underground water to the surface. A large number of farmers in India depend on tube wells and hand pumps for irrigating their lands, particularly in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Well, hand pump, tube wells. For tube wells, a deep bore is dug into the earth's surface with the help of machines. A pump is used to pump out the underground water. The pumps run on electricity or diesel. A hand pump is used to pump out water from a maximum depth of about 80 meters. It is operated by hand. Tanks and ponds. Tank irrigation is practiced in the southern part of India. In this process, water is used from some low-lying areas where water collects during rainfall and forms a pond. This water is used to irrigate fields during the dry season. Water wheels. Water wheels are also used in many villages of India for irrigation and domestic use. Water wheels are used for lifting water from wells to the surface. It consists of buckets that are attached to the wheel. A water wheel is also known as the Persian wheel. Water conservation. A major amount of people around the world don't have access to safe drinking water. Water is necessity for human life, but it is turning into a luxury day by day. This state of water scarcity is rising in our country. Following are few reasons for this issue. Climate change has caused an overall increase in temperatures around the world. This has caused the melting of the icebergs into the sea. Icebergs are a major source of fresh water, and the process of melting turns the fresh water into salt water, which is not fit for human use. Drying up of lakes, rivers and ponds due to climate